Class 10, let us continue the chapter. Already we have started exercise 14, sum number 11 done also, partnership business. Next sum number 12, 11 to 15, all these sums are very, very important. Okay. Now 11, next sum number, Arun and Ajay started a business jointly by investing rupees 24,000 and 30,000 respectively at the beginning of the year. But after a few months, Arun invested rupees 12,000 more. After a year, the profit was rupees 14030 and Arun invested the profit share of rupees 7130. Let us find after how many months did Arun invest money in that business? That is the question. After how many months? Months not written here, so we will choose the month as rupees X, months as X. So after X months, or for the Arun invested his capital for X months. No, Arun invested 12,000 more after X months. Okay. So at first we will write Arun invested. Okay. Arun invested rupees 24,000 beginning of the year, and Ajay invested rupees 30,000 at the beginning of the year. Okay. Now let Arun invested rupees 12,000 more after X months. That only we have to find out. After how many months he invested rupees 12,000 more. Okay. Now, what is the capital for Arun for the whole year? Therefore, for the whole year, Arun's capital, how much he invested. For the first X months, he invested rupees 24,000. So what we will write? 24,000 into X. Okay. Plus. And remaining months means 12 minus X, as 12 months are there in a year. Okay. And he invested rupees 12,000 more. When invested rupees 12,000 more, so now 24,000 plus 12,000 will be continued for 12 minus X months. Okay. Or then how much we'll get from here? 24,000 X plus 24,000 plus 12,000 in 36,000 into 12 minus X. Okay. So it is coming 24,000 X minus 36,000 X plus 36,000 into 12, that is equals to 432,000. 432,000. Okay. So it is coming, this minus this means 432,000 minus 12,000 X. Okay. This is Arun's capital. Now Ajay's capital for the whole year. What? He has invested beginning of the year 30,000. So we will calculate this into 12. 12 3s are 360. 12 3, the 13 to 12 means 360. 360,000. So 3,60,000. Okay. Now what is the ratio of the capitals? Therefore ratio of their capitals. First is 432,000 minus 12,000 X is to 360,000. Okay. So this 1,000 part will be cancelled and we will get 432 minus 12x is to 360. Now, Arun, total profit is what? Total profit at the end of the year, that is rupees 7130. Rupees 7130. Okay. And Arun received the profit share as how much? Uh, oh, that is 7130. 7130. And total profit for the whole year is 14030. So, right here, 14030. Make it correct. Okay, now condition is there. Okay, Arun's profit is 7130. His share is this. Total profit is this. Now we will write only in the form of equation. That equation part. Okay. So what will be the, according to the problem, 432 ratio, capital ratio 432 minus 12. This part is for Arun. So we will write 432 minus 12x divided by total part is 432 minus 12x plus 360. 432 minus 12x plus 360. So this we will get as 792 minus 12x. This total part, first part plus second part, this is total is coming 792 minus 12x into the profit already written 14030. Okay, 14030 is equal to 7130. Got it? Now from here we have to find the value of x. Only the equation already written, only we will just calculate. So 432 minus 12x into 14030, and here 792 minus 12x into 7130. So in 432 into this is coming 6060960. 960 minus 12x into this is coming 168360. 168360x is equal to 5646960 minus 7130 into 12 means 85560. 85560x. Okay, so now take all these x terms to the left and the constant term to the right side. Then what we will get? We will get minus 168360, 168360 plus this. Then we will get here minus 82800x, and 5646960 minus this, we will get minus this part is more, so we will get minus 414000. Now 00 from both sides will be cancelled. Then what we will write? Minus minus will be cancelled. 00 will be cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 4140 by 828. 4140 by 828. It is coming 5. Just divide this. We will get it as 5. Okay. So what is the question now? After how many months? Arun? Question was this: after how many months Arun invested in that business? Rupees 12,000 is invested more. So after how many? Let us find after how many months did Arun invest in that business. So after 5 months Arun invested. So we will write the answer. Therefore, after 5 months, therefore, after 5 months, Arun invested rupees 12,000 more in the business, in that business. This is the question and this is the answer. After how many months he invested this? Okay. So next sum coming with, it's all very big sum, so it's taking too time also. Coming with new video for the new sum.